Namaste. I'm Dr. Juhi Singh, Assistant Professor of Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University at Department of Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Today's our topic is classification of crude drugs. Crude drug means simple drug, right? Crude drug means a simple drug which is obtained from the plant, or it is in form of crude. Okay, it is simple in nature, right? Then crude drugs are the plant crude drug can be plant, animal, and their roots, and which can obtain after collection, are subjected only by drying or making them into the transverse longitudinal slices piece or peeling them. In some cases they exist in natural form. These are the crude drugs. Okay, crude drugs may be derived from various natural sources like plants, animals, minerals, microorganisms. I already told you all those things. Because of their wide distribution, there's a many source of crude drug. So wide distribution of the arrangement of the classification in defined sequences is necessary to understand easily. Okay, so although each system of classification has its own merits and demerits, but the purpose of the study of the drug can be classified into the following different ways, like first, alphabetical classification, right? Morphological classification, taxonomical classification, pharmacological classification, chemical classification, chemotaxonomical classification. They are the different ways to classify the drugs. Okay, then firstly we go through to the alphabetical classification. What is alphabetical classification? Alphabetical classification, that the crude drugs are arranged according to the alphabetical order from their Latin and English names. Okay, means the crude drugs are arranged according to the alphabetical form or alphabetical order from their English names, different names from the English name and Latin names. Okay, some are the pharmacopoeia and reference book. Well, some of the references book, pharmacopoeia or references book, which can be classified the drug according to the system as the follows. Okay, like pharmacopoeias are different countries have different pharmacopoeia, just like Indian pharmacopoeia in India, IP, which is said to be IP in organized in 1995. In this is written in the Latin language or Latin terms are there. But after 1966 or in 1966, the Indian pharmacopoeia is written in English. IP is written in English, and there's a British pharmacopoeia which is written in English, and there's a British pharmacopoeia codex which is called as BPC. Okay, which is also written in English. United State of Pharmacopoeia, USP, which is said to be USP, written in English. Also European Pharmacopoeia, which is written in Latin terms or Latin words. What is the advantage of this? It is very simple. It is very simple in nature. In the system, easily locate. The system is very easy and easily locating. The drugs are easily findable, and tracking system is very easy. And addition to the drug is easy. Addition to the, if any drug is a new drug is discovered, addition of the drug is very easy. Okay, non-technical person is required for handling the system, because non-technical person don't have no idea about these systems. So non-technical person is required in for handling the system, right? Then disadvantages. What is the disadvantages of the system? Every system has a merit and demerit. So this is the advantages of the system, but if the disadvantages of the systems are scientific nature of the drug cannot be identified by this method, whether they are arranged or organized or unorganized drugs. Okay, the system does not help in distinguishes the drug of the plant, animal, and mineral sources. Original source is not clear. So this is the disadvantages of the drug. Oh, disadvantages of the drug classification, okay, of alphabetical class system. Examples of the drugs like acacia, agar, benzoin, Bevax. This is arranged in alphabetical order. Like acacia start from A, Bevax is start from B, Syncona is start from C, then cinnamon, D for digitalis, dhatura, E for ephedra, F for fennel, G for ginger, I for isabgol, jalap, quinoa, lime seed, mustard, nutmeg. These are different names of which is arranged in the alphabetical order, right? Then come forward to the morphological classification. Morphological classification, here the crude drugs are arranged in the group according to the part of the plant and the animal, represent to the organized cellular drug and unorganized cellular drug. And unorganized acellular drug because because cellular drugs are organized in nature and unorganized drugs are acellular in nature. Already know we already know that about organized and unorganized drugs. So unorganized cellular in nature drugs are the direct part of the plant and are divided into leaves, bark, wood, root, rhizomes, seeds, fruits, and flowers, and stem and hairs. What is acellular drugs or unorganized drugs? Drugs are the products of plants, animals, minerals, sources, and they are derived into the dried latex, dried juices, dried extracts, gums, resins, fixed oil, and fat waxes, volatile oils, and animal products, minerals, which is in solid, liquid, and semi-solid in nature, right? Then come toward the different organized drug, which is cellular plant. Organized drug, the part plant which is obtained, and which is drug obtained from which part of the plant, right? Example of organized drug. Firstly, we take leaves. Leaves of drug called dhatura. Dhatura's leaves is used for the production of any drug, right? Uh, leaves for dhatura, leaves of senna, leaves of digitalis, vasaka, all of the drugs is part of the drug is used. The plant part is leaves, right? Bark is bark of cinnamon, bark of cinchona, bark of colchicine, bark of purchi. Okay, wood acacia's wood is used, sandalwood is used, red sandal is wood is used, root rauwolfia root is used, liquorice root is used, ipac kohana is root is used, rhizomes ginger rhizomes of ginger is used, podophyllum rhizomes is used, turmeric rhizomes is used, flowers like clove flower is used, saffron flower is used, pyrethrum flower is used, seeds, nux vomica, lime seed, ipagol is seeds is used, fruits, fennel, coriander, drill are used, stem, ephedra stems are used. Hairs and fibers, hairs, cotton, hemp, jute, hair fibers are used. Okay, then come forward to the unorganized drug or acellular drug. Acellular drugs, plant, animals, and marines are come into the unorganized drug, just like dried latex of opium, dried latex of papin is used, dried juice of aloe, dried juice of quinoa is used, dried extracts of agar, catechu, pectin are used, gums of acacia, tragacanth, and stericula are used, resins like benzoin, colophony, asafoetida of resins are used. Okay, like fixed oil and fats of any animal of castor or cotton wool or are used. Waxes of beeswax, spermaceti are used. Okay. Volatile oil of coriander, cinnamon, cloves are used. Animal products like beeswax, shark liver oil, gelatins are used. Okay. Minerals like bentonite, kaolin, talc are used as a drug, which is grouped in unorganized drug. Okay. Then come toward the advantages and disadvantages. This system is classified is more convenient for the practical study, especially when the chemical nature of the drug is not clearly understood. Then this is the advantages of this system. This type of classification is very useful in identifying the adult trends, which is adult trends are used. So this type of classification is very useful in the identifying the adult trends. Okay. Then disadvantages, it does not give an idea about the biological sources, chemicals, constituent and uses. When different part of the plant contain different chemical constituents, it is difficult to classify them. So are the disadvantages of this system. Then chemical classification of this drug, of the crude drug. We come forward to the chemical classification. Chemical classification of the crude drugs are like, here the crude drugs are divided into the different groups according to the chemical nature of the most important constituent present in the drug, to which the pharmacological and therapeutic activity of drug is attributed, right? Just like chemical nature or chemical constituent of the drug, like alkaloids. If we talk about the alkaloids, alkaloids is come, or we can derive alkaloids from the dhatura, vasaka, vinca, labella. All from these plant or these drug we can obtain alkaloids. Okay. Glycosides is obtained from cascara, senna, digitalis. Okay. Tannins are obtained from catechu, myro, ballon, ashoka. Volatile oil is obtained from clove, eucalyptus, cinnamon. Lipids of castor oil or beeswax or arachis oil. Carbohydrate and its derivative are obtained from acacia, agar, honey, lime seeds. Products like tarragon, then starch. Resins obtained from colophony, benzoin, vitamins, hormones are obtained from yeast, shark liver oil, insulin are obtained these are obtained from shark oils or insulin. Like vitamins and hormones are obtained from yeast, shark oil, liver oil and insulin, right? Then come forward to the protein and enzymes. Enzymes and protein are also obtained from gelatin and peptide. Okay. These are the chemical constituent which is obtained from different drugs. What is the advantages of chemical classification? Chemical constituents are known, medical uses are known. Already know about the chemical constituent uses. They are mostly used in therapeutically used for the disease prevention or any pathological condition, right? So what is the disadvantages? Disadvantages of the drug are different. Drug of different origin are grouped under the similar chemical title, right? This type of classification makes no proper placements of drug containing two different types of chemicals. Example, certain drugs are found to contain alkaloids, glycosides, cinchona, fixed oil, or volatile oil. Like example of volatile oil, nutmeg. Okay, of equal importance together, and hence it is difficult to categorize them proper. Okay, these are the disadvantages of chemical classification. Taxonomical classification. Taxonomical, in this system Taxonomical classification of the fruit. In this system, drugs are arranged according to the taxonomical studies. The drugs are arranged according to the phylum, order, family, genus, and species. It is purely type of botanical classification or biological classification, and are restricted mainly to crude drug from the plant sources. Okay, then just example of the different taxonomical classification, just like angiosperms and angiosperms and angiosperms like monocotyledons and dicotyledons. Monocotyledons example like if liliaceae, example of liliaceae, and colchium, opium, colchium, vanilla. These are the example of monocotyledons. Dicotyledons example like Papaver, opium, or almond, rose oil. These are the example of dicotyledons. Advantages of this taxonomical classification: easy to classify the crude drugs. Disadvantages of this system is criticized for its failure to recognize organized and unorganized nature of the drug. Okay, the drug obtained from the plant having alternative leaves, flowers, seeds, capsules of the different family. Thank you. If you have any query, just comment below. Thank you.